It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2013 Ram 1500 Sport. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Ram. Driver's door has power door locks, power windows, power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel are the power adjustable foot pedals, manually adjusted steering wheel, some lighting controls including automatic headlamps, carpeted floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a black leather interior, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel, the left side having our Bluetooth and audio controls, and to the right are the cruise control buttons. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead are the power sunroof buttons, rear window slider button, interior lights, programmable garage door opener. This is our infotainment screen. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It has our radio and Bluetooth controls along with heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, our dual climate control buttons, also has navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with guidance. The hard buttons for the infotainment screen are down below. The integrated trailer brake controller, traction control, tow mode, park assist, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, no slip matting, and some power plug-ins. The front of the Ram has fog lights, 20-inch wheels, a 5.7-liter HEMI V8 engine, heated side mirrors with the integrated turn signal indicator, rain sense wipers, rear tinted windows, 4 full-size doors, keyless entry and keyless start, running boards down below, the rear window slider, a hard tonneau cover, and next I'll open up the tailgate here. In the box of the truck we have cargo hooks. Next we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, the rear fans, a power plug-in, carpeted floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to raise these rear seats up for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2013 Ram 1500 Sport, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com, or to stay up to date on all things GMC, click the like and subscribe button.